Hi guys, so you have seen most of the people talking about earning money through social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, and you are wondering how to do that. So, in this video, we are gonna cover the topic how to make our first $500 just by selling digital products through social media. And yes, you don't need to have a big audience or a fancy website to start earning online. You just need the right strategy and the right guidance. And this will help you to go from $0 to $500 in just one day. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. A little about myself. So my name is Natalia. I am your digital marketing coach who is here to help the students and 9 to 5 workers who are struggling to make online income streams through social media. And in this video, we will learn how to sell even if you have never sold anything online before. So make sure you watch this video till end because I will share the exact platforms and free tools that you can use to start even today. So in order to earn something, we have to sell something. So let's discuss what are digital products. So these are basically the downloadable items like ebooks, templates, planners, printables, or the online courses and even the memberships. So these are perfect for beginners because you can create them once and sell them forever. You don't need any shipping, inventory, or packaging headaches. And you can start with free tools, no big investment needed. And here's the best part, you don't need a huge audience. Even 100 people seeing your product can lead to sales, but only with the right strategy. Second thing is how to choose a digital product. So, whenever you are going to choose a digital product, you will have two options. First one is affiliate products, and second one is creating your own product. First of all, let's discuss about the affiliate products. So, these are high ticket or low ticket products that are created by other creators, and we earn a commission from their sales. For example, I am selling a course called Digital Wealth Academy worth rupees $500, and you are my affiliate for that, and you are getting 70% commission on that. This is how you and I both are earning money through affiliate products. Second one is creating your own product. This is very easy. You can use the free tools like Canva to create a simple product like a template. You can go to Canva and search templates. There are thousands of free templates available which you can customize it according to your niche or your target audience. But if you are a complete beginner and you don't have any knowledge related to digital products or how to create a product, I would suggest you guys to go with the affiliate products because when you are creating a product, you have to be niche specific like I am. I am creating this video just because I wanted to teach you guys how to earn money online. And this is basically for the students or the 9 to 5 workers who are struggling to earn extra $1,000. Now, moving towards the next topic, that is selling a product. So, once you decided whether you wanted to sell an affiliate product or create your own product and sell it, the next step is where most people get stuck because they think they need thousands of followers to make a sale. But you are wrong here. With the right keywords, right captions, attractive images, people can find your product without you even posting on social media. So you can list your products on platforms like Etsy, Pinterest, Facebook groups with eye-catching images and videos that are linked to your products. And you can choose a bonus tool like Instagram or TikTok to create a valuable content around your product and increase the chance of your sales. For example, I am selling products through a platform called Beacons, and I create a valuable content on social media where I educate people what I am doing and which will help me to get my first sales. And I will give you a real time example also. So, when I first started, I started with affiliate products, and my first product was of $7 in which it shows like 10 different cryptocurrencies to invest in. And I made my first sale of $3. I know it's not too much, but for me, it was a time when I realized that this is actually going to work. And that sale, when I made that sale, I was having 25 followers on Instagram and no else product. So Whenever you are starting out, you need a product with lower price. And when someone buys that, it will help them to easily download it and they will get enough value from that product. In that way, you can upsell the high ticket products too. Now, here's the best part of selling online. You don't need any physical store, you don't have to pay any rent. You just need a product worth of rupees $10 and have to make 50 sales to hit your first $500. It is really easy to sell a product if you stick to one product, optimize your listings daily, and share it consistently. If you find this helpful, hit the subscribe button and follow for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments what digital products would you create first. And in this video, I'm gonna link my free guide in the description, which will help you to start your online journey just for free. And it will give you immense of knowledge how to create digital products, how to find a profitable product, and how to find your perfect niche. Thank you guys. It is really easy.